How can a 200-year-old tailoring manual help you ace your A-level English language exam? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to plan and structure a top-scoring language change essay using a real Cambridge Past paper. This is paper 3, question 1, May-June Cambridge English language. You're given 3 texts and asked to analyse how the English language has changed over time. Your main focus should be on text A. Texts B and C offer supporting data for comparison, but most importantly, you're expected to apply linguistic theories, methods, and approaches. This is where many students miss out on marks. Now let's talk structure. One of the biggest mistakes students make is organising their response by text, text A, then text B, then text C. That approach makes it hard to compare and analyse effectively. Instead, structure your essay by feature. Build each paragraph around one aspect of language change, such as lexis, grammar, orthography, graphology, or pragmatics. Within each paragraph, use text A as your base, then refer to texts B and C, where they support or contrast your point. Let's break down those 5 key categories, starting with what to look for in each. Lexis includes archaic or obsolete vocabulary, lexical replacement, semantic change, field-specific terms, and lexical borrowing or etymology. Grammar covers subject-verb agreement, clause structure, sentence length, modals, and any variation that reflects pre-standard usage. Orthography refers to spelling variation, punctuation norms, capitalization of common nouns, and compound word separation. Graphology is about visual layout, fonts, headings, Roman numerals, and typographic symbols like ampersands. Pragmatics is all about tone, audience, purpose, politeness strategies, and how meaning shifts depending on context. Now let's apply those categories to the May-June 2023 paper. These are the kinds of features you'll find in the actual texts. Under lexis, we have breeches, pantaloons, and trousers, now obsolete clothing terms, as well as the shifting use of the word flatter in text B. Under grammar, we see a mismatch in subject and verb agreement in the phrase, which make 5 measurements and is sufficient, and clause-heavy sentence structures throughout the text. Orthographic features include the spelling of ankle as ankle, the use of anything as 2 words, capitalization of common nouns like trade and trousers, and the full stop after part 4. Graphological features include Roman numerals, varied fonts in headings, and decorative symbols such as the ampersand. For pragmatics, notice the use of the phrase "I flatter myself," which suggests a modest tone in the past, but would now sound overly confident or even ironic. This shift is highlighted in the collocation changes shown in text B. So how do you turn those features into a strong essay? Here's your formula. Start each paragraph with a specific observation from text A. Then bring in evidence from text B or C to support or contrast it. Finally, explain the change using a relevant linguistic theory. That's where you hit AO4. You'll see this in action in part 2, where we walk through a full model essay, 1 paragraph at a time, using real quotes and applying top theories like Crystal's tide, Aitchison's metaphors, and Chen's S-curve. If this helped you understand how to plan your answer, like and subscribe, and head straight to part 2 to see how it all comes together.